What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Lock Shed. Hope everybody's having a good week. And I am too. This video, I'm going to be picking on a challenge lock. This one is called number 2 by a JDouglas 4277. He made it out of an arrow kick. K-I-K-I-K. It does work nice. This is actually my second attempt. I've already done one 10-minute try on it. Oops. And we're going to try it right now and see if we can get it. I did learn a lot from that first attempt. Let's see if I get my... Hold on. There we go. Yeah. And we're going to try this again. I was trying different picks on attempt number 1. So I think I've got it down to the pick that I liked. And it's a medium hook from Sparrows. It's actually a 20,000. So I'm going to be using a multi-pick top of the keyway. Let's see if we can get into this thing. There we go. I'm going to start from the back. I've had good luck in the back. Gonna click on 5. And let's see. Nothing yet. I think I'm back on 5. Oops, I think I overset, so we'll start over. Okay, that was 4. I think. Oops, yeah, I overset some stuff. I keep doing that. I keep hitting number 2 and oversetting some pins back there. So he's got a good, like an overset pin. My way to the front. Nothing here on 1, 2, 3, nothing. I'm back on 5. Couple clicks out of 5. There it is, 4. Nothing on 1, 2. That was a click on 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh. I think I overshot something again. This one's really good at just making you overset stuff. So I'm going to start over. And I'm going to do a little bit less tension, I think. Okay, that was a click. 5. That was 4. Couple clicks out of 5. Overset 2. or something. That was a little click. I think on 2. A big click on 4. No. Oh, there we go. False. Big false set on 1. Still getting some feedback on 1. And there's the open. All right. 6 minutes. Not bad. Okay. Let's keep it in frame and let's gut it. All right. Good work, JDouglas. This is a nice challenge lock. Oops, keep it in frame. I have the key, so I'm going to go ahead and lock it up. Let's just set it right there for a minute. Adjust that. There we go. What do I need? I need to get rid of that clip. That's what I got to do. Let's zoom out a little bit. There we go. Let's get rid of this clip and see what he's got in here that's causing us so much trouble. By the way, it is very cold in the lock shed again. It is 32 degrees outside, and I have my little space heater going, and it's keeping me somewhat warm for the video. All right, here we go. Nice. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Ooh, we got some nice, lovely homemade pins. There we go. Oop, that was 1, 2, 3. Very nice. 4, 5. Oh, okay, there's 6, even though it felt like I was only picking 5. Let's take a look at the core. Nothing's been done to the core. Nice standard core. Let me take a look at that key real quick. Is it 6 pins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 6 pins. For some reason I had in my head that it was 5. Hey, that was what gave me the trouble. I kept thinking I had 5. All right, let's see what we got in this thing. This is pin 1. Ooh. Nice, nice. And let's dump that spring. Maybe. There we go. Oop, come back, come back. Here we go. Pin 2. Oops, dropped it, dropped it. Hold on, hold on. I got you, guy. I got you. We got a little standard here. Let's see, different spring. Same spring. Looks like a same spring. Oops, keep it in the scene. There we go. Dump it. Where'd it go? Where'd it? Oh. Okay, there's just there it is. I think it fell into the empty chamber next to it. Alright, we got 3 of the same springs. Let's start from the back. Let's see. Okay, let's set him in the same order that he was in. Let's drop that spring. All right. Oh, I see something going on in that chamber right there. Oh, dang it. Dropped him again. There we go. Chamber 5. There we go. Same spring. I think they're all the same springs so far. One more to go. And he seems to be a standard. Let's dump that spring. There he is. Nice, my phone, my camera wouldn't focus on everything. Okay, let's take a look real quick. Oh, that's already actually like really loose. Can I just slide him out? I guess you can. All 6 chambers, nicely threaded all the way through. Looks like they've been threaded all the way through. But here we go. We got a nice challenge lock, JDouglas. Let's get a nice close-up of these pins. So it looks like we have standard key pins. Oops. Standard key pins on 1 and 2. We got some nice serrated on 3 and 4. Standard on 5. And a nice serrated on 6. I think that's a homemade. That one's really clean. Yeah, that's got to be a homemade. That's a nice clean one, though. We have, looks like, I'm not really sure what we got going on here. Let me take a grab. Just a slight little taper. Nice. Looks like a homemade mushroom. Very nice. Then we got standard, 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 and a nice, looks like a, there we go, like a double spool or a fat bellied spool. I'm not sure what we call them for homemade pins, but that's a nice one. There it is, folks. JDouglas's number 2 challenge lock. All right, I'm going to head back inside because it is cold. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for checking out my little channel here. I'm sure this guy appreciates it. This guy right here loves it. Well, he loves all the attention. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Right there. And stay tuned for the next video. Well, yeah. Happy picking, everybody. Sorry. Coldness is making my brain a little weird. All right. Happy picking, everybody.